Anyway, I think there is some glitches, so I will not, like to, but anyway, 5 minutes I can speak like that only. Thank you very much once again, and really I am privileged and honored that Professor Sareen and Professor Umesh Kapil, my long lasting colleagues from AIMS Delhi, they thought that AIMS Bhopal should also be participating in this, and I was little hesitant earlier, but Dr. Umesh Kapil, I respect him like my elder brother. So he said that definitely the intention and the objective of this webinar is that Dr. Sareen, we know that his work, but probably he also wanted that the his vision is disseminated throughout the country, and therefore this will be prudent that other institutes, they are also included and they participate in that. And obviously, with such kind of words, I couldn't say no. And I am really happy that we are part of this webinar, and I am sure that we will be more than happy if we can get associated. My faculty can get associated with person like Dr. Sareen and Dr. Umesh Kapil, who are world renowned hepatologist, Professor Sareen. We know that he has been doing the innovative things, and his visions and his ideas, they have always been of the not only national level but of international level. He has been, I know, for last many decades he has been working on the fatty liver. He was probably, to best of my knowledge, he was the first person who uh, brought the fibroscan, other diagnostic techniques in the country, and the institute under his leadership has been progressing, we all know. So I would not like to give you know more details, but those who are new for this field, we must appreciate that he has been the pioneer, not only for his institute or for Delhi region or for the country, for the international arena. We all know that the fatty liver can be alcoholic or non-alcoholic. Dr. Sareen has been doing huge work, and his publication list for decades knows, we can see that alcoholic fatty liver, which along with the AIMS Delhi, they disseminated, and now in India, fatty liver, alcoholic particularly, is very well known and also being managed. But many times, as medicos, we know that there are many cases, because this is a stigma and as well as fact that we all know that once you are consuming the lot of alcohol, there is a fatty liver changes. But there is also significant component of non-alcoholic fatty liver, and I am happy that Dr. Sareen thought about this entity also. And as in the introduction, you very rightly mentioned that this is becoming very important, and I was astonished to know that it is up to 32% of the patients, they are having NAFLD, and particularly many times this is having comorbidity like diabetes mellitus, obesity, and there are many other complications because of this. And therefore NAFLD, probably through this vision and through this webinar, and I am sure that he will continue to disseminate his knowledge and his experience throughout the country, and many more people and many more institutes, they will be interested to work on that, and seeing that the what are the various mechanisms, I will not go into, because I know that he will be speaking as a keynote address, and why not, he is the best person to deal with. So the what are the various mechanisms, and what are the how to treat and prevent. And it is really amazing that he has been successful, and obviously everybody in the ministry, whether it is a Delhi government or government of India, everybody listens to him. So he has aligned this program with the other NCDs, and I could see that he's also involving the yoga and other systems of the medicine, which are pharmacological or non-pharmacological methods of treatment. And of course, most important, as he has been promoting, is the prevention, because you can treat sometimes, but it is difficult to in many cases, treatment is not that easy, whether you do pharmacological, non-pharmacological interventions. The another issue is, of course, the diagnostics. So obviously, until otherwise, our medical people, they are aware that what are the various avenues for the diagnosis. It is not easy, and many times it goes as a misdiagnosis. And I think with the initiative of government of eminence in the ILBS, this webinar and this initiative is going to be highly successful, and AIIMS Bhopal will be more than happy that in what capacity we can involve, even though we don't have right now gastroenterologist, but very soon one eminent hepatologist is going to join us. But till that time, one of our faculty is working from the department how I wish excellent collaboration, and my thanks once again to Dr. Umesh Kapil and Dr. Sareen and other colleagues of ILBS for including us and letting us share our views and how we can go along, and wish all the best for the initiative. Thank you very much.